Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm playing imvu, just creating a new avatar. So I'm not really sure what I'm gonna call this video, what's gonna be the title or the type of avatar I'm gonna make, but this is my current avatar right now. I think I made her a couple days ago. Yeah, basically, but you know, before I start with my avatars, and I always make sure I have a really good background so I can be able to see my my outfit properly, because it's better. Oh, I have never seen this background before. Okay, this is better. So let's get started. Guys, I will be skipping a lot of part in this video, especially me undressing my avatar. I will be skipping that. But let's go. Today we're gonna make a Y2K avatar. I see a lot of people making them. I don't know, like, where's she heading? Like, okay. Let's try something simple. I'm gonna skip this, and I will be putting the skins in the bottom if you want. Just the creators, and I'll put the creators in the bottom. So So guys, this is it. It did not take me that long to do this avatar. It was very easy and simple. And I have to tell you, I really like it and how it turned out to be. It, like, it was very easy. I might probably change the belly piercings to a little bit, just to something more trendy. But guys, like, I really love this avatar. I don't know, I might probably get it as well because I really like it. It's very unique in the body skiller. I have never tried this body skiller before. I have never tried this before. I had it for a while but never tried it. But I'll definitely get this avatar myself. I don't have much credits right now, but I'll definitely try to get this avatar. But that's about it. I'm about to jump into The Sims and see how The Sims is, and probably we'll do a recording on The Sims as well. But tell me what you think about this avatar. I really like it. I think it really came out really great. I mean, it is a little bit basic, but the look itself is just amazing and go very, very well. If you want to change the shoes, it's up to you. I couldn't find a Nike. I wanted like a Nike shoes, but this is what I found. But I'm not mad with this. This is amazing. So let me know what you think and subscribe for more because guys, it's the summer. I will bring you new content. I mean, I have other channels as well that I've been trying to focusing on. My second channel recently like reached 3K subscribers because I have been posting in there like each and every day. So, but I am trying to stay up with this channel and to bring you guys new content. But let me know what you think about this avatar. I mean, it's really dope, but the price for it is a little bit challenging. But just tell me what you think overall, and just have a great day.